Okay, let's take a look at this. I'm going to open it with Notepad, I guess, and clean it up a little bit. Now this has nothing to do with how you have it. When you send via HTML, sometimes it loses formatting. So I don't think this is probably the way you had it. This should probably be input, and like I say, you didn't put all these X's there. That strips it out when you email it. That should be input. Excuse me, I kind of clear my throat in the microphone. I've been sick. Input. And then probably an input here, if I had to guess. This is probably on click. On, assuming uppercase. There we go. I should just click, I guess. Might be faster. Okay, let me save that. And right click on this. I'll choose open with Google Chrome. Okay, so let's see what it's doing. Nothing. Okay, let's see. Enter your grade homework. ID is homework box, lab box, midterm box, final box. Okay. And there. Homework is worth this. Midterm final is worth this. Input type. Button value on click equals. Okay, then we got our beginning double quote here, and all of our code should be contained with a beginning double quote and a closing double quote at the very end. So I noticed right away that you have a beginning double quote here. That shouldn't be there. And you have one at the very end, so that's good. That's your closing. So on click, we'll start with the beginning here and then the closing here. I wonder if that's your only issue. Well, I see grade has an issue here. You don't want single quotes around these because they're accessing the variable name, so you want that value. By putting a single quotes around there, it accesses it as a string. Okay. Refresh that. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Calculate grade on click, parse float, document.get element by the homework box dot value. Okay. Grade 1 times 25 divided by 100. Okay. Grade 2, parse float, document.get element by ID, lab box, midterm box, final box, get element by ID, grade equals plus grade here. Well, that will give you the average of plus grade semicolon. Okay, I'm not seeing anything wrong at that point. That doesn't mean there isn't something wrong, I just don't always see it. So I'll come over here and there's Google Chrome. I do this, click, go to more tools, and choose developer tools, and see if that helps me any. Okay, this tells me there's an error. Cannot read property value of null. Line 61. If I click that, it should take me to where the error is. That's interesting. It's the very end. HR div ID equals output div document.getElementById.innerHTML output div equals that will give you the average grade of plus grade. Not sure if I remember the alert. This will show us what that's equal to, assuming there's an error before that. So let's try it again. Refresh this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Didn't like something before it. So I'm going to come up here in my alert. Sometimes alerts help you see where exactly I'm at. Right here, 1. Okay, refresh that. 3, 4, 5, 6. Unexpected token. Oh, I think I'm closed off the input here. You started the input tag here and you closed it off there. Slash div. Why isn't my alert getting anywhere? Let me come up here. On-click equals alert. Right here, 0. Oh, those should be single quotes. Doesn't do any good to put double quotes in there. That just ends your code for all of that. I had another one of those somewhere. No, I didn't, I guess. Okay, so refresh that. 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here. So I got there. But I never got down to the grade down here. Okay, well, let me just, instead of doing that, let me just print out the result of average 1. That's why alert's handy. It helps you to figure out where your error is. 3, 4, 5, 6. 0.75. Okay, I don't see any issues with that. Let me get rid of this alert here. Two. 3, 4, 5, 6. 0.8. I assume it's correct. Really, the issue is it's just not running. It's not that he's not giving us an incorrect value. 3. You have to refresh it each time you make a change. 1.25. Seems kind of large. Maybe not. Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm edit, copy, and edit, pasting those in. So if you can do a Control V here, Control C copies it. Okay. So ABG, ABG, ABG. Refresh this. You have to make sure you refresh it. If you don't refresh it, it just keeps running the same code. Ah, what the? Never got down there. That's curious. It was fine right here. Grade 4 is equal to parse float document.getElementById final. Oh no. Oh, it's a lowercase b. You had an uppercase b. Okay, so let's see if that does it. Refresh. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1.25. Yeah, that's 4.6. So it gave the average of grade 4.6. Okay, that gets us over our error then. Now, the last thing you'd want to do is go through and check to make sure the numbers are working correctly. And that's where the alert, again, helps you. You can use these to help print off the value of an individual grade along the way, so you can test that piece. But anyway, that's what was wrong with the code.